All right, I welcome you to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can convert the beans on Niki Live into money. Kwachomenya. Alright, so here we go. We go to Niki Live. Okay, so now I just want us to start from level 0. So now when you open Niki Live, the page that you're going to encounter is actually this page, where you're going to see a couple of profiles of people who have gone live. So now what you do is you simply go to the far end, to the far bottom end of the screen, where there is an icon, not the blue icon there, now the one which is at the bottom with 2 white dots. That is the profile tab. You click on it, so you have, I'm pretty sure you can see what is there. So there's that one showing the coins that you get, and the other one is showing the amount of beans that you get. So click the beans that you have. Then from there, you go by the second option, that is my income. Click that. So the page is loading. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Okay, beautiful. So when we come here, what you need to do is, you click withdraw. If you click exchange, all the beans that you have accumulated so far will actually be converted back into coins. So what you need to do is you click withdraw. So here we go. I click withdraw. Beautiful. And you see, I got 4.54 US dollars. So if I want, I can actually withdraw the money by adding the withdrawal method. So I got $4. Okay, so here we go. We can go by PayPal if you want to be withdrawing by PayPal, or you can actually use USDT. Now, in the next video, I will show you how you can withdraw that money that you happen to accumulate on. Let's just do it. Okay, so from here now, what I'll do is I will click bind, and then contact address there, then determine the name as, okay, beautiful. Okay, so let's register the account by which we are going to be withdrawing money. The most trusted. Oh, they want me to download Bitcoin. I already have Bitcoin here. I already have Bitcoin. Oh my God, my God, my God. I think, yeah. Anyway, I'll just do the other video next time.